Guess we'll see if she starts up. Flip the switch the other way. There we go.
Yeah, I heard it.
There she goes.
Who's terminal?
Oh, battery might be popped off. What is going on, guys? We are checking up on the Foxbody today. We're actually going to be ordering some parts here soon. So I have my friend Rick. He is going to be pulling the Foxbody out of the storage unit. We're going to take a look, see what it needs. We're actually talking with NPD, and we're going to be getting some restoration parts and getting a new top and some different things that the car needs. Let's see if it fires up, pull it out of the storage unit, take a look in the sun, and yeah, let's see if she fires up. Yeah, I think the battery terminal or something there. So it sounded like it had plenty of juice.
Yeah.
There it is. Yep. Might need to put some new battery terminals on it. There she is. Hasn't been ran in a few months. There we go. The old Foxbody. And that's a Crown Vic radiator we actually got right there. There she comes. It's got a flat tire on that side, but the old 7-Up edition. Yeah, it's been ran in a little while. Has AC still too.
I feel it.
Yeah.
Is that real miles? 67?
Yeah, it's under 100 still. Yeah, it needs some cleaning up. But yeah. So the top is the main problem with this. And we're gonna be doing a new top and a glass rear. Obviously we're doing a white top because the 7-Up edition came with a white top. So we're gonna restore it back. Rick here has done a few tops before. And see, I've never done it, but I definitely wanna learn and definitely wanna show everybody how it's done. Does this look like the original top to you?
It does. That's usually what they do. Is deteriorate, especially the white one.
Yep. Try to figure out what we're missing, what we need, so we can have all the parts we need to get the top sealed up.
Pretty clean in there. Maybe these troughs are all rusted out on them.
Yeah, for the most part, the car's pretty much rust-free. Towers are good. Limited surface rust.
Main thing you gotta look at on these is these pads. I don't know if you can look up in there and see these. These pads right here. See how they start to get rough?
Yep.
And what these do is they kind of protect the top when it's flapping around on the car from these metal frames.
Oh yeah.
So, I mean, if I want to do a top on it, I would suggest getting these. That way it's all nice and clean. And
yeah, we can see if they got those. So we got those. I think the frame of it's fine, right?
Yeah, frame looks good. Everything works, went up and down good.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too bad of a job.
Yeah, the interior in the car just needs to be cleaned. You know, obviously it's hard to pick up on camera, but the white is looking a little brown, so it needs a lot of cleaning time. But yeah, all original. Pretty sweet. I think it needs like a door panel right here. Or door panel, or is that a door card? Whatever that is. And these are a new one of those. And then do these come with like a cover on the back or something?
To cover this?
Yeah.
It doesn't come with the top. You can find them online and stuff, but normally, yeah, they would come with a cover that covers the top up when it's down.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to see about that. There's some stuff in the trunk. Yeah, this just got ripped. Let's see what's in the trunk.
That's junk shit.
Oh, that goes under the steering wheel, I think.
Here's the metal part.
Yeah, inner fender well.
Seat bolt covers.
Yep.
Really not bad shape, especially for a northern Mustang.
Yeah, it is from up north, but it is, the miles is actually original. Yeah.
These are always rusted out right here.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Even the trunk looks good, especially for a convertible too,
yeah.
with a bad top. Typically a bad top, you know, it has been sitting out in the rain at some point, but Bruce always had it inside, and obviously I've always had it inside too, so. But I definitely want to get it fixed up, especially with me being on crutches. It's an automatic I can drive once I can start fitting into some cars. I think we just need to check the windows. I think one of the window motors doesn't work or something. Okay. Or maybe it's the track.
The plastic guides on these are known for going out on them.
That one looks good. Maybe it's the other side? That one looks good.
Yeah.
Just one.
That's the motor. They got little plastic nylon guides in there.
Uh-huh.
And they get old and disintegrate and just spin. So they sell them at like National, Parts Depot. You just take the motor out, rebuild it, and good to do. If the motor's working, usually they don't work.
Yeah, we can definitely hear the motor working over there.
That's an easy fix.
Nice. Yeah.
Everything seems to work.
Yeah. I think we need a, what is that? Is it a door card, I guess?
Yeah.
Or is it a whole door panel?
It's the matte pocket.
Yeah.
I've seen these available too, brand new.
Okay.
To replace them. So, the good thing about these, everything's available.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get her all looking new, get the paint cleaned up, get the interior white, back to white. So right now it's a little brownish inside, but
good shape, man.
Yeah, we'll show the engine bay here. You know, obviously the engine bay looks dirty and old, but it's all original, and everything's running good. I mean, the steering works, the AC works, the engine's running on all 8 cylinders. It sounds really healthy, so I mean, I think it's a good car to restore.
I think so. Good starting point.
Yeah,
Good project.
Yeah, I talked to Matt at MPD, and he agrees the 7-Up edition car needs to be restored, not modded. So.
All stock too.
Yeah, all stock, original. Looks good. Yep. It does have a front plate, which is thumbs down, but that's all right. Yeah, it's nice to just listen. It's quiet too. It's funny. It's got all cats, stock mufflers, everything. Yeah. The old 302 running good, dude. It runs so good.
It purrs.
1990. It's crazy.
30 years.
Yep. Starts right up. It runs. It drives. The transmission's good. AC's good. It's crazy. So I'm really excited to get this car back going, because with me not being able to drive some Mustangs, at least I'll be able to drive this Mustang, and it's all registered and insured still, so we'll be ready to go. Still running. Yeah, the towers look good. Radiator support. Yeah, it's sweet. You can see the condensation on the AC. That's super funny. So, yeah, what do you think about the headlights? So these are like, we could get like new ones, right? They're nice and clear and brand new.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, you can buff them and they'll look pretty good, but nothing beats the new pair.
Yeah. So maybe some new headlights. The taillights look a little hazy. They're not too bad, but maybe we can do that too.
Really not bad shape though. Not bad at
all. Yeah. Good old Foxbody. Yeah, it looks like we'll need this piece here. So the car sat in a body shop for a while. That's why it's got some overspray here. It's got overspray because it was literally sitting in a shop for years. So I think we can get some of this overspray out too, you know, and then get this panel here. Nice. I'm excited. Got the Foxbody all cleaned up. Have a show car. I have all race cars.
Yeah.
Race cars that dual purpose as show cars. This one won't be fast, but it'll be cool. This is all the driving we're doing for today, but pretty soon I'm gonna get her fixed up. Give her some TLC, new top. Be nice. It runs so good though. It's been running here for 15 minutes now or so. I think that's good. She runs good. Nice. Yeah, new tops and new parts. A little bit of cleaning. Should be good. Maybe a little bit of paint work.